Hey guys, Jeff Turner of Microfood Plots. How many times have you seen something on the internet or in a magazine and thought, I could build that myself? Well, you probably can. You probably could use some help though. Here's a set of drawings that we sell on our website on how to build a flip over cultipacker. This is pretty cool. It comes with everything down to nuts, bolts, and washers that you're gonna need and where you can buy them. Here's a set of drawings of a gravity feed deer feeder we produced a couple years ago. It's been a huge hit. We give these away. Go on the website and get you some. Guys, deer hunters live on a budget. You can build stuff yourself. You've seen it, you've said it, you know you can do it. Get a set of drawings, get started, go get your materials, have some fun. Include your family and friends.